Welcome back to another build video. With the painted body finished, the engine has been reinstalled and the guys can now hang the fenders and front end back on the Chevelle. The LS3 will be fed by a Holley Performance Terminator X-Max standalone engine management system, and it'll breathe through a set of ultimate headers, down through a custom 2.5-inch stainless exhaust with GTP Twintronic mufflers. Finally, the car will get rewired from front to back, and the finished interior can be installed for the final time. This part of the build usually goes pretty smoothly since the interior was built and test fit many times prior to paint and body work. The crew here at Classic Car Studio did an incredible job on this one. Chevelle is going to be a blast to drive. It's going to look good doing it too. The combination of the Road to Shop chassis, the LS3 in the drivetrain, and that modern interior makes this thing fast, comfortable, and an absolute handling machine. Thanks for coming to our YouTube page. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe. If you want notifications, click on the bell. If you want to buy some cool merch, click on the info card, or you can click on the link in the bio.